Most people think you need to sell products to make money on Amazon. You don't. Today I'm going to show you how beginners are making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, without owning inventory, without shipping products, and without investing a lot of money. First, let's understand what Amazon affiliate marketing actually is. Amazon has a program called Amazon Associates. When you join, you get special links for products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. You don't handle the product. You don't ship anything. You simply refer traffic. Now let's talk about how you actually start. Step 1 is signing up for the Amazon Associates program. You'll need a platform, that could be YouTube, TikTok, a blog, or even Pinterest. Amazon wants to see that you have a way to send traffic. Step 2 is choosing the right products. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They promote random cheap items. Instead, look for products that are high demand, good reviews, mid to high price range. Because the higher the price, the higher your commission. For example, promoting a $10 item might earn you cents. Promoting a $300 item can earn you real money per sale. Step 3 is creating content around the product. You don't just drop links. You create helpful content. For example, product reviews, comparison videos, best tools for beginners type videos, problem-solving videos. People go to YouTube to solve problems. If your content solves a problem and includes your affiliate link, that's how you earn. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Affiliate marketing is not instant money. In the beginning, you might earn very little. But once your videos start ranking and getting consistent views, those links can generate passive income. That means you can earn while you sleep. Another important tip is focusing on one niche. Don't promote kitchen tools today, fitness tomorrow, and tech the next day. Pick one category and build authority. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds clicks. Clicks build income. Also, always disclose that your links are affiliate links. Transparency builds credibility. Now here's the part most people ignore: traffic. No traffic, no clicks. No clicks, no commission. So your real job is not just dropping links. Your real job is creating content people actually want to watch. That means strong titles, clear thumbnails, and helpful information. If you're starting from a small channel, focus on beginner-friendly topics. Target search-based content. Answer questions people are typing into YouTube. And remember, affiliate marketing works best when you treat it like a business, not a quick money trick. If you stay consistent, improve your content, and choose smart products, Amazon affiliate marketing can become a real income stream. And if you're serious about building multiple income streams online, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Stay consistent. Stay focused. And build smart. Stay consistent. Stay focused. And build smart. Because this is not about chasing quick cash. It's about building assets. Every video you create is a digital asset. Every affiliate link you place is a doorway to income. And the more helpful your content becomes, the more those assets work for you over time. Now let me give you a strategy most beginners ignore. Instead of promoting everything, build content around buying decisions. For example, instead of saying, "Here's a blender," you say, "Best blenders for small kitchens," or "Best affordable blenders under $100. That attracts buyers, not browsers. Buyers convert. Another powerful strategy is comparison content. Product A versus Product B, which is worth it? When people are comparing, they are close to purchasing. That's high-intent traffic. You can also create beginner guides. Everything you need to start a home office. Best equipment for starting a YouTube channel. Bundle products together in your content. That increases your chances of multiple commissions from one viewer. And here's something important: Amazon gives you commission on everything someone buys within 24 hours after clicking your link. So if they click your link for a microphone but end up buying a laptop, you still earn. That's leverage. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you see which videos bring clicks, double down on that topic. If one video about home office equipment performs well, create more. Best budget desks. Best office chairs for back pain. Top affordable lighting for Zoom calls. You build a content ecosystem around one niche. That's how this becomes consistent income instead of random commissions. And remember, your goal is not just views. Your goal is targeted views. Even a small channel can make money if the audience is intentional and ready to buy. Affiliate marketing rewards clarity, not chaos. So choose your niche. Create helpful content. Place your links strategically. And stay patient.
So hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra unlocked, it just come out and it's like the best thing out there right now. So you can just use my link and purchase your phone, or you can just click on my link and purchase any other products that you like best. But from a telling you, so this phone is good. This phone is good. Also, there's that Apple phone, and it is they're like Apple is like one of the best phones. Yeah, that too. So you can just click my link and purchase the phone from using my link. Right? So guys, remember I do a rebranding for my channel. I know it is not the easiest thing I did, but girl, try to do something that is best and that is not drifting away from you guys. I'm still here. Just wanted to put out more content that will also benefit you in the best way, to not only doing skincare. For skincare, you guys still can ask me question on my my Instagram, which is Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. Still, I still haven't changed that part. So I don't know why my voice is like this, but I had a flu the other day, so I guess that's the reason why I sound like this. So I'm sorry, but yeah, you guys can reach out to me on my Facebook as well. I have a group there where it's 22,000 subscribers or followers or members or something like that. Yeah, where you can reach out to me about skincare. But right now, click my link, subscribe.